As the need for accessible transportation grows, families and caregivers are seeking compact, minivan-friendly wheelchairs that are easy to load, lightweight, and reliable. In this guide, we evaluate foldability, portability, compatibility with minivans, safety features. List number 1. Medline Ultra Lightweight Transport Wheelchair for Adults, Foldable, 19-inch seat width. This Medline Ultra Lightweight Transport Wheelchair is a perfect companion for minivan users. Weighing just 23.5 pounds, it's easy for caregivers to lift and load into any trunk or side door. Its foldable design and compact frame allow it to fit neatly into tight vehicle spaces without sacrificing seat comfort. List number 2. Medline Comfortable Folding Wheelchair with swing-back desk-length arms and swing-away footrests. This Medline model focuses on comfort and versatility, with features designed to enhance both mobility and transportation. Its swing-back arms make side transfers easier, in and out of a minivan, while the swing-away footrests simplify loading. Though slightly heavier than transport wheelchairs. List number Drive Medical SSP118 FASF Silver Sport 1 Folding Transport Wheelchair with full arms. The Drive Medical Silver Sport 1 combines durability with transportability, making it well-suited for minivan travel. The chair features full-length armrests, swing-away footrests, and a sturdy steel frame. While it weighs a bit more, 37 pounds, it still folds flat for easy storage in a van. List number 4. Drive Medical EXP19 LTBL Lightweight Expedition Folding Transport Wheelchair. The EXP19 LTBL from Drive Medical is one of the lightest, full-featured transport wheelchairs available, weighing only 19 pounds. That makes it incredibly easy to lift and slide into any minivan without the need for lifting assistance or ramps. It features 12-inch rear wheels for outdoor use. List number 5. Medline Lightweight Foldable Transport Wheelchair with handbrakes and 12-inch wheels. Designed for both ease of use and transportation. This Medline transport wheelchair features rear hand brakes, 12-inch wheels, and a foldable frame, making it compatible with most standard minivan cargo spaces. It weighs about 23.5 pounds, which is manageable for solo caregivers.